Alright guys, welcome back. Today I have absolutely no idea what we're doing. Right now I'm about to head to Jason's grandparents and he said to bring my GoPro, so I guess we'll find out what's going on. Anyway, let's hop in the good old Evo. I love this car so freaking much. I hope you guys enjoyed the last video that I did introducing the Evo. If you haven't seen it, go ahead and go check it out. I'm actually pretty happy with it. You can genuinely see my excitement, which is a good thing. Love this car so much. Yes. Alright guys, let's let her warm up and head to Jason's. Alright guys, so it's a new day. We didn't actually go to Jason's. I don't know if I'm going to leave that in or not. So I've got the Evo running right now. We're on our way to a car meet. I'm probably going to record there. I don't know yet. But I want to see if the 944 will start because it's been sitting for quite a while. The battery seems to be dying slowly on me. It's from like 2013 and you know, it's been pretty cold recently. So I want to see if the 944 is actually going to start. I'm very doubtful, but if it does, I'll be very happy. So, wow, this clutch is light. Oh, it seems kind of promising. I don't think it will, though. Come on. Nope. It's done. No, it's done. Gosh darn it. I'll take it to advance and do a test on it. Rip the dream. Anyway, let's go to that car meet. All right, guys, me and Liam are on our way to the meet now. Probably do some POV driving on the way there. And when we're there, I don't know if I'm gonna record much. I'm probably just gonna, if I talk to anyone or see any really cool cars, I'll record definitely. But basically just going there to just meet up with everyone. So I'm also really brain dead right now. If you guys can tell by what I'm saying, I can't think. So slow. Like the speed limit's 40, we're doing 25 and 30. I don't understand. Okay, we going. I'll go too. it's definitely faster than the last time.
Oh, I definitely have noticed it feels quicker since it's cold now.
Yeah. I even noticed that the 944 it runs better when it's colder, yeah.
They're starting to. There's a church up here. Downhill's the best.
It's like popcorn.
Yeah, literally.
Very, very loud popcorn.